Hello dear children of class 8. Today we will learn chapter 5 from your English book, The Adventure of a Sailor. Student, you must have listened an adventure story or watch a movie. If not, you must listen this story. This story theme, The Adventure of a Sailor. Sindbad, the famous sailor, was well known for his adventure journeys. Sindbad was a great sailor. He loved adventure and risky deeds. He lived in Baghdad and undertook many sea voyages. He went to unknown land and liked meeting people of a discovered land. In the way, there was a fire in his heart for going to new lands. On one such a voyage, his ship reached a destroyed island. Voyage, Sindbad and his crew were very hungry. On the shore, they saw many fruits-laden trees. They went to the trees to eat the fruits. Sindbad felt sleepy and slept under a shady tree. Woke up. He found that his companions had left him. His ship had sailed away and he was all alone on the island. As he was walking along the shore, he saw a big white and round object. Sindbad thought that it might be the roof of the house. He tried to find a way to go inside but failed to do so because it is very slippery. He tried to climb upon it but it was too smooth. Suddenly the sky began to look dark. Sindbad looked up. He saw a giant bird flying toward him. It was as big as the sail of a ship. It was the roc. Roc is a very big word. Object that the roc's eggs. This object was roc's egg. He now understood that he had walked into the roc's nest. He was afraid of the big birds. He hid himself beside the egg. At night, he had an idea. He tried one end of his turban to his bird legs and the other end of same turban to his wrist. As the bird flew away, she carried Sindbad along with her. After flying for many hours, the roc landed on an island. As the bird alighted, Sindbad quickly untied himself. He saw the ground was covered with the glittering stone of different size. He picked up one of them and found that it was diamond. Sindbad filled his pockets and bagged his diamond. At night, he hid in a cave to keep himself safe. The next morning, he saw huge pieces of meat laying on the diamond. The pieces of meat had been thrown by the diamond merchant. Once again, Sindbad had a brilliant idea. He tied one end of his turban to the huge piece of meat and the other end his breast. He lay there waiting for a roc. Student. Soon a roc came. She picked up the pieces of meat in his strong claws. She rose on her wings and carried the pieces and Sindbad to her nest. After a little while, some merchant came there and scared away the roc. They were surprised to see a man in the wreck nest. One of them agreed to take Sindbad to him home for a big diamond. Then one fine day he took leaves of his host. His family parted from Sindbad was the tearful eyes. He entertainment them with many landed. His experience of adventure to many landed. He sailed back to the Baghdad and joined his wife and children. A student, this is a story brief. I want to, you must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.